There we go. Okay, now it's working. So I'm still like having conversations with myself right now, but it's okay. Things are there. That's there. That's there. Hey, go have fun. How goes it? How goes it? Yeah. How goes it? Go have fun. Have you taken a trade yet or not really? Okay, done. Hey, Ripzo Roach, what's up? How you doing? You know what? I can't complain. This morning, London session, I had a... What did I have? I had a half loss. A half loss, because I did mitigate risk by half, so I didn't have a full stop loss, but I did have half, and then I had a nice win here, so that was awesome. Yeah, I even had a little runner here. The second runner got taken out because I followed this halfway. Looking here, I see I would still be in this freaking trade, which is absolutely wild, but that's okay. Hey, Ruthin, what's up? How you doing? Been a minute and a half. How has it been? How's it been going for anyone that's just hopped on, kind of like me? Here we go.
Hi.
Oh, let me get this.
Good
I can
morning.
actually hear what's happening. Good morning, slash good evening. So it's afternoon here in South Africa. I don't know how it is everywhere else, but right now it is indeed the afternoon in SA. I can get rid of this because I know where I wanted it to be, so that's fine. I don't really have to show where the runner was. That's not a problem. Looking here. Huh, interesting. Okay. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. 919. We got some time. We have London High over here. Let's mark out London High, even though, I mean, it's already there, but still. Amazing. London High. Does this mean this is London Low? I guess ICT London Low, hey. Still figuring that one out slightly, but that's okay. Oh, thank you. 7:47 p.m. in India. Damn, it's late. Well, I say late. What time do you normally go to bed? Do you go to bed late or do you go to bed early? In the morning, like AM, I guess. And then you just wake up late. Yeah, how does the typical day for you go, Ruthin? Out of curiosity, obviously. Because you were logged into and broken, I wasn't. While being logged in, you were getting real-time data. Oh, Eddie, that makes sense. That makes sense. There we go. Okay. So, Eddie, it means you gotta get a... No, I'm joking. You don't have to do anything. How's it been going, though, Eddie? Did you manage to get a trade in? What was it? How did it go? How did it been going? How did it been going? English is starting off amazing today, guys. We are Englishing so well. I'm so excited. Cool. Sorted. I'm just making sure that everything is sorted. Like I said, I was low-key a bit on the late side of life today, but it's okay. Oh my word. We've got this. Holy guacamole. There we go. Got a few more peeps in the Discord. That's exciting. Done and done. Awesome. Whew. That music is so relaxing, right? Amendus? Have I ever been to America? No, I have not. I've never been to America. I have traveled to this was like one trip with my family when I was younger. I traveled to like Amsterdam, then Portugal, and I want to say France, but it was like the layover between flights was in France, so we did go see the Eiffel Tower, but it's not like we stayed over in France. So that was one trip, and then I've been to Italy when I was a little bit older, but that's about it. Yeah. Hey Chris, what's up? Heck yeah, let's do this. It's gonna be amazing. No, I just started AFD trade New York session for NQ rather than okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, Eddie, well, let's do this. Listen, give me 2 more friends. South Africa. Risen? What do you mean? Amendus, what am I going to trade today? Well, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Let's see how this goes. I did already trade during London. I took 2 trades. Both of them were A+. The one was a half loss, not a full loss, because I did mitigate risk by half. And this one was a nice win, so that's cool. My balance is on 52,597. So getting there, need 400 plus. Let's just say 4.5 to pass this eval. Which is exciting, but obviously puts a tiny bit of pressure on. So I'm just gonna stick with if it's an A+ setup, yes. If it's not an A+ setup, don't do it. In a CPM car game. Oh, cool. If you want to see him. What do you go have fun? What did you ask? What about that? I've been to Germany, Portugal, and Spain. Germany is so beautiful. Really? That's interesting. So you would choose Germany over Portugal and Spain? Is that what I'm understanding? Crypto Roach? 2 friends in SA. That's amazing, Rithan. Well, make it 3 if you count me. I will also be another friend from South Africa any day. I love it. You got a friend in me. That's very lame, but we're going with it. Let's carry on. Okay, so what are our suspicions for today? Do we think this is going to continue bearish? Is New York going to be a continuation or a reversal? Or we're going to go sideways again? If it freaking goes sideways again, I'm going to be a grumpy goose, but do we think New York is going to be continuation or reversal back to the buy side? I low-key thought it would want it to come take out Asia low before potentially going back up, but who knows? Space Eagle Vision, you think reversal. Nice, nice, okay. I'm kind of suspecting that as well. I wonder if it's just gonna take out Asia low and then get a reversal. That could be something to look out for. Definitely a potential for it to do that. One day gonna go to SA. Heck yeah, do it. Listen, South Africa is beautiful. South Africa really is something else. We have everything in South Africa. I know this is coming from a very biased space, obviously, because I am South African, but I do truly believe that South Africa has everything that you could want to see in one space, which is amazing. A little rangy, then reversal, seek and destroy. No, Jose, don't. We don't want to see sad price action. We want happy price action. We want good price action. That would be ideal, please. Listen, where am I from? So, I mean, originally, I mean, I've been a little bit all over the place, but, I'm originally from Pretoria, now I'm in KZN, so I'm by the beaches. I also used to live in Limpopo, so I used to be by the bush with all the animals. And Pretoria is more built up area, so like I said, South Africa has everything, take your pick. What are you looking for? Beach, built up, or bush with the big 5? Hey Haro, what's up? Back again, how goes it? It's good, it's good. I'm just waiting for the open, right? Speaking of, let's maybe have a quick look-see at the higher time frames while we wait, seeming as we do indeed have five minutes. No, 4 minutes to go. So let's quickly, I'm just gonna close this off so we don't get overwhelmed by everything. Let's check out the 5 minute. Trend is friend until it's not, right? And we're very much slowly going to the bearish side. I mean, check. We are definitely going down, down, down. Look at there, sure. 5 minute, there's the Asia low. I mean, this Asia session was ridiculous, but it's fine. That's 5 minute. Let's check out the 15 minute. Very nice. It has filled up most of the imbalances though, so it's just now, is it going to come take out Asia low, or we're going to tap into this order block on the 15 minute and then go back to the buy side? See, it still looks like there's more imbalances to be taken out lower down. Sorry, just me thinking to myself. 1 hour. Where would be the place to visit in South Africa? Again, Crypto Roach, I guess it kind of depends on what type of vibe are you after? Like, I guess most people come to South Africa to see the animals, right? So then it would be Kruger National Park, which is where you get the big five, where you get the lions, elephants, buffalo, rhino. Yeah, there are still rhino. And leopards. Hey, Bob, what's up? Buy cheap and sell high. Jose, 100%. That's why we're double checking here now on the 1 hour. We are still going down. Let's see. And let's check the 4 hour. Okay, at least we're not so rangy on the 4 hour anymore. We actually look like we're getting a tiny bit of a direction going on. That's something. I don't know what some of these things mean, but it's okay. It's just something I put on out of interest. Still think this might want to come take out the Asia low, but for now we are ever so slowly going down. I think this is going to be a reversal on the higher time frame before we do a continuation up to the buy side. I suspect. Sorry, let's not use the wrong words here. I suspect, like I said, none of this is obviously financial advice. You guys do you. I'm assuming you guys have been trading long enough to know your own setups and what you guys want to do, which is amazing. Bob to Bob. Woo! Here we go, here we go, here we go. What the heck is happening? Is it hot past? It is. Oh gosh, I was talking everyone's ear off. Sorry. Okay. Here we go. Go fight. Okay, so then Kruger National Park it is. Space Nasdaq been in the bull run since 01/26/25. True, but do you not think that it should want to have a little bit of a retest then eventually? Especially if there's that big imbalance going on. The markets always want to get back into balance, right? Okay, so I'm gonna just mark out things still checking this out. Okay, so here is the 930 range. I jumped the gun a little bit there, but anyways, there's the 930 range. Quite large wicks and a little body, so that's interesting. Let's see what else happens. Oh damn. Alrighty then. Cool. How you doing, Bob? How's it been going? I agree, but I feel as though it's ignoring the news and keeping the bulls going until... That's valid. That is valid. I can't argue with you on that one. Oh, these are big wicks. This is very wiki. Wiki. Holy FU candle. What the diddly day is this? That's a 67 point candle. What even? Okay. Seriously, what even? Okay, let's keep watching. Let's see where this goes. I'm doing all this morning, looking for this move down to 26. Ooh, nice, 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 nice. Okay. Okay, Bob, let's see. I'm looking for an A+ setup that can hopefully... Wait for confirmation. It's not like jump into anything, but... Let's see, I'm like... Let's say $500 away from passing my eval. Which is exciting, but obviously it means... I don't want to say the pressure's on. It's an eval, right? You carry on. Whatever happens, happens. And I see now the volume's just back to kind of chinchilling slightly. Oh, no, I take it back. Okay, so definitely more sell side volume. Maybe time to learn, not risk. Why do you say that, Jason? Out of curiosity. Oh, thanks, Jose. You're so sweet. I appreciate that. But obviously, you know, I want to say there's a bit more pressure because you want to pass, obviously. But you have to not let the emotions take over. I know it's so much easier said than done sometimes, but still. Can't let the emotions take over. Or else this happens. You got some bad trades then. Yep, just stay focused and disciplined. Yes. I mean, that was this morning, Bob. There were 2 A+ setups. I took both of them. One was a half loss because I stuck with the rules. It went up to my midpoint, so I moved my risk by half, and then it took me out for a half loss. And then the second one was a nice win. Literally, you can see wicked in and went beautifully down, so that was awesome. So now it's just to carry on doing that, right? This is not a fair value gap. No, that is not a fair value gap. No, that's not a fair value gap. I mean, could it be? I guess it could be. About to take out Asia low, and I mean close, but no. Do you know what's quite funny? Damn, it's been around 4 hours, still 3. No, Push, Push legend? Yes, Push? Push? What the heck? Don't be... Wait, what? Sorry, my brain malfunctioned there completely. Good grief. Oh, thank you. Anyways, sorry, what I was saying was... What is quite, I don't want to say funny, but this one, I left a runner and, well, I left 2 runners. The one was taken out down here, as you can see. The other one, I did come and retest and took me out. But the second runner, I actually left at the Asia low. So if I had left this at break even, this would have actually hit my second runner. So nice to know that the point of interest was correct. But holy guacamole, this is now just running away. Okay then, let's make the 5-minute range. Wait for some of the chaos to just stop chaosing. That was English, by the way. Chaos to stop chaosing. Right? I nailed it. Okay. Here we go. Holy downtrend. Why? Okay, it's fine. I'll just move back here. Here's the first presented. Yeah, this is a proper... Well, I say proper, but it's definitely a first presented. Can't deny that there is indeed a little fair value gap here. It's little, but it's still there. Okay, so these have now been marked out. Followed by a huge... I'm assuming Bob is in this. That's a really nice... Sure. Sure, look at it go. Holy moly! Damn, calm down! What the heck, man? Anyways. OTT, what's up? I wish I lived in South Africa. Trading London session at 10 a.m. and New York at 4 p.m. Here it's 12 a.m. and 5 a.m. I'm so sorry, Eddie. Yo, that really sucks. Thinking more about stock currency. This is, I can't see the name of it. Can you tell me? Also, huge fix on this. Oh, Jason, sorry. This is the Nasdaq futures. The micros, to be more specific. Holy damn. Bog, did you get this? No, that is ridiculous. Wow. Bob level to Bob level. Let's see how it reacts here. Is it going to rebound? Reject off of this Bob level? Potentially. Yeah, there we go. Okay. This is insane. Go back into the I mean, I would have 3 things here, but it's not ideal. What does it look like on the 5-minute? Oh, did I just press the 6-minute? Let's go 5-minute, please and thanks. Okay, moving on. Let's pretend I wasn't just a chop there. Have this, do have the shelf. That's interesting. If this starts to retest higher up, again, how large is this though? Let's have a quick look-see. I would have 2. You're worth 2 contracts. It's right by the New York low. Let's see, I do have 1, 2. Kind of 3. Okay, let's go back to the 1 minute. Let's get more. Let's properly get some confirmation for this. It has taken out a bunch of sell-side liquidity now. OTT can't complain, can't complain. Called that like a champ, you really did, Bob. That was on freaking point. Did it get you though? Oh, no, did it? Did it take you out? 5-minute RSI, I have an entry on the 1 minute. I did not. Hey, Elite Profits, what's up? Hey, oh, wait, long time no see. How goes it? Having struck Nasdaq to fall hard. Oh, interesting. Well, it is indeed falling quite hard. This, ugh, gosh, I don't like how that looks. What? Okay. Let's make that look a little bit not so poofy. Okay. I mean, this isn't A+. It's just huge, and it hasn't taken out the New York low yet. It is really close to the New York low. We have another point of interest further down. We do have this, and there's more imbalances. Let me check out the 4-hour quickly. I don't think it makes up its mind. It's not going to happen right now. Any winners today? Yeah, I did. I had 2 trades this morning during London. You saw the half risk, right? Did you? Where I got taken out at a half loss. And then I had a winner, so that was nice. Remember, look it up. Also, I did lots of demo account practice. That's where I learned about my phone. Oh, that's interesting, Jason. Ayo, Tyler, what's up? Thanks, this is what you've been wanting. Oh, thanks, Rail. I appreciate it. Thank you for the warning. Retest the 5-minute. Just how high up is it going to retest? Let's check the 4-hour quickly. Loop. It is like midpoint of this. We have the new daily opening gap there. Not this new daily opening gap though, but that's okay. That did go and wick into it. I forgot to take that across. I like a chop. Nah, that's about to take out that New York low. This is gonna go further. I don't think this is gonna come and retest. Ooh-wee! Ooh-wee! Okay. We all see things, kind of. There we go. OTT, I need like, I'd say $500. I guess it's closer to 400, but still. Can you see my balance here? There we go. I'm on 52597. So, I mean, closer to $400, but still, let's say 500. If maybe you're testing the support zone in that area. Oh, thanks, Tyler. Yeah, guys, don't forget to press that like and subscribe button. Space Eagle Vision. Let's see. Well, it's taken out New York low now. And it's low-key running away. Okay. I feel like it's getting actually too large for me to even take one contract at this point. Did a little bounce off of the bob level. Do we think this is going to come back and retest slightly? I do not know. So it's just going down. It's wrecked. 100%. Hey, Lukey, your bull bias waiting for confirmation. Oh, damn. Okay, so you are waiting for it to... I don't know. What level are you waiting for it to tap into before going to the sell side? Bob, have you locked yourself out, by the way? One thing you need is a good swing market with a lot of experience understanding things. 24 months minimum, or stay with stocks with robust market caps. I mean, that's valid. I haven't been trading for 12 months. Ayo, Tom, what's up? Bull or bear today? Well, I'm sticking with trend, and trend right now is bearish for the day. So trend for the day is bearish. Overall trend is still bullish, don't get me wrong, but right now it's Guru, it's Grizzly Bear. That was very lame, but we're going with Guru, Grizzly Bear, okay? Did you get in on the going down move? I did not, Seth. I didn't have my... It didn't give me my setup, so... No, didn't get in, unfortunately. The market itself has to be good. Any higher time frame needs to look somewhat bull. I guess trend in one day is bull. I take all longs I can get. Do you tend to preferably look for bulls? Look, yeah, Lukey? Am I buying the dip? Go have fun, let's see. Like I said, trend is friend until proven otherwise. If that makes sense. Like this, for example. Into there. They're taken out there. That's fine. Anyway, sorry. Next time, just open and go for it. No, that's not very well disciplined. We're here to do discipline, not be risque. Any good luck with trade? Wait, why are you going, OTT? Aren't you trading today? I do not argue with structure. Bad. This sucks. I have to purchase another challenger if it doesn't change. What? Why? That really sucks. Why? Space Eagle, but what? Oh, thanks for the sub, Mike. Whoop whoop. Oh, by the way, for anyone that did get in on this and like is in and out, this is for you guys. Whoop whoop. Well done on a grinde. Massive whoop whoop for anyone that did manage to get in on this and that has had a successful, nice short trade, because good golly griefness. That's all I can say. What is this even? Holy guacamole. Anyways, remember what I said about lunch. How do I mean, it's not lunch now, right? Hey, Jose, what's up? This is the New York Open. You know, you kind of expect some madness to happen here. A little bit of rejection there. I would have been curious about taking a trade here. Sorry, I'm still kind of forward testing something with the bob levels. I would have potentially done this. It's just where would I put... Yeah, see, that would have been a 1-to-1, but unless I put it at the top of this candle. 1.5, I mean, it's not bad. And this one here. Holy damn. See that engulfing going down. Put it at the top. Yo, the problem is when it runs away like this, the ratio isn't that great. But it is what it is, I guess. I can't even get in on this. This is just running away without me. I don't even think I'll be able to get the retest off of this because I would be risking too much taking it. The move came after London lunch. I was buying at Asia Station. Oh no, Tom, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm doing a 50k signature challenge with E8 December and top of Jan already wiped me out. So no, Spacey, I'm sorry. Jose, did I take that trade? No, I didn't. No, I did not. I'm sorry. I'm not really structured, but there we go. I got real keys. Real keys? What do you mean real keys? TP at 903. Hey, I thought so. I was looking at what the hatedly day? Why did it just do a bit of a reversal there? What the heck, man? Bob, I thought you were only doing one trade and done. What did it just tap into? That was weird. Don't rush it. No, I'm not. That's exactly it. I'm not rushing anything. Oh, it took out this wick here. Okay. Tapped into that wick. Now I had a bit of a reversal. You'd think I'll want to maybe mitigate this imbalance a little bit further, but apparently not. Sure. I think I would want to come down a little bit further. I know it took out like a bunch of sell side liquidity. Are we retesting this? Are we gonna? Oh my gosh, can you imagine we go back up to the freaking 5-minute open? It's like, uh-oh. It seems as though December to Feb, the markets are terrible. Really? I mean, yeah. Especially the beginning of Jan wasn't okay. And I've got the Wi-Fi now, got the daily. Oh, nice. Well, enjoy. I hope you guys have an awesome time. Mad love, thank you for joining. Heck yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, Tyler. Enjoy. Well done. Whoop whoop, did you get... Wait, you took TP now, hey, right? Whoop whoop to you then, because that is amazing. Oh no, come on. Wakey wakey. Thank you. This range is too big, but yeah, I'm just seeing something here. That would have been that 50%. 1, 2. See, I wouldn't have loved that trade. It looks like it's gonna work out, but I have actually only one confluence. Let's maybe move across, zoom out, when in doubt, zoom out. I guess 2 confluences. Would have had 2 confluences, that's about it. So not ideal. The larger trade is better. But again, I have a sneaky suspicion that this is indeed just too large. I don't even think one contract I will probably be over-risked. Over-risked? Did that make sense? Oh no! I'll be able to do one. Only one though. Unless I push it, but no, then I've like given away all of my... I've given away everything if I do that. Oh damn, okay, so... Looks like that one potentially would have worked out. We need to return to 26021. Why 021? Didn't fill my order because it said it failed. Oh no, Tom, I'm so sorry. ETH sell side trade 1-to-2 ratio down. Whoop whoop. That's amazing. Are you still good, Bob? Are you still good though? Are you still in this? Did it take you out? That's a lower low forming. Good luck. Thank you. Interesting. Like I said, this would have been a B setup, not an A plus setup, but it would have been a B setup. So that's cool. So I didn't take it. B setup. Like I said, this is still an A. This is still an A plus setup. It's just mahusive. It is mahusive. I can imagine. Are you still in? I'm sweating. You see? Bob nuts, Bob nuts, Bob nuts. I love it. Bob nuts, Bob nuts, Bob nuts. Let's do this. Oh, good grief. But you're still in this? 26021, so you can decide if it's a bull run. You need to close the trade and try again next week. Interesting, okay. This thing needs to power through 903 right now. Right now. Right here. Right now. Close, close, close. Oh my gosh, I was like a tick away. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Hey Turkey, what's up? How you doing? How goes it? A B setup's not worth taking, and why? The probability of them hitting TP are less likely than A+, that's about it. And there's maybe check for trending day. Well, on complete breakaway days like this, maybe the B's are where, I don't know. Sorry, hiccups. Did it take you? Sorry, I have hiccups. It was hectic. Sorry, I'm late. Oh, you should be, Geordie. No, I'm joking. Sorry, I know traffic is a pain in the booty, so... Yeah. Bob, are you still in this? I have my cursor right at that 903 level and it still hasn't hit it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What the heck, man? I went flat at the perfect time. What do you mean you went flat? Did you take yourself out? So are you in or out? I need a shot of whiskey. Oh my gosh, I agree with you. Wait, but so you're not in this anymore, right? Signature accounts and 4 p.m. What? Spacey, that sucks. What the heck, man? Why do you want to? No, that's a silly goose move. Bob, can I do whoop whoop or are we doing sad music? Which one is it? I need to know. Are we happy or sad right now? Yeah! Whoop whoop! Whoop whoop for Bob! Whoop 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 whoop! Amazing. I was stressing for you. Holy guacamole. But yes, I think you are very much well-deserved little, shot for you. It's just too big. This just ran away. Jordy, did you just sit down now? Hey, Jose, what's up? Okay, you're in a long now. Let's see. Okay, so you think this is now going to be the reversal. Now that's taken out a bench. So interesting to see that this would have been, but again... Nah. Would not have been a valid trade, so it's fine. It is what it is. I went flat when I was almost to TP. You're... Okay, well done. Right, it's that whole don't be a D for a tick. Just fill in the rest of that sentence and we're good. Okay, but at least well done, Bob. Anyone else that has indeed taken a winner, well done. Okay, do we think this is going to go a little bit further down? It's taken that out. Do we think this is headed all the way down here? There's relative equal lows here at this 839 level. Interesting. 839 could be decent. So now, need to make another bob level. I'm filling bars. Yeah, just sit down. Okay, nice, Jordy. Well, you've just missed a freaking sell-off and a half. Damn. No other way to explain what the heck this just was. It just dumped. Solidly. There we go. Bob level nicely. Eh, there we go. Okay. So Bobby would have been stressed, but it would have hit solidly. Did someone say whiskey pods double? With the day that it has been, maybe just make it like the whole bottle. Honestly, at this point, just make it the whole bottle. Someone put me. What's that song? Hey Flybears, what's up? How you doing? How goes it? Here we go. It's on 70, yeah. Mother flapper. This is just going bye-bye. What the heck, man? This is insane! And everything- wait. This... I'm trying not to let FOMO win right now. I'm trying really hard not to let FOMO take over. So I have 1, 2. If it goes a little bit lower down, it might not be bad. This feels very overextended at the moment though. We are a minute away from 10 as well, so let's just watch what happens at 10. Here we go, here's 10 now. Let's see, is it going to do a bit of a reversal? We're gonna just do continuation. I haven't even drawn my bob levels down here. Could be here. 5. Holy moly, what the heck, man? Again, bob level to freaking bob level. What the hey diddly day? So I'll do like proper math now, but this is just running away. Bruh. Okay, that's definitely, I can't even pretend to take that. This is better. This is better. Except that I just tapped into there, but still. 1, 2, 3. This feels very overextended. This is very overextended. When in doubt, zoom out. But oh my goodness, I can't even zoom out far enough. I'll have to check the higher time frames. This is just running away. I'm sorry. I know I'm not responding to any messages right now. I'm focused, which is weird for me. I know, but still, I'm focused. Holy guacamole. It's still running. Haven't even sorted out the levels. Cool. Just cool. I would just have 3. This... It's an A+. A little bit of an imbalance. Or 2. Could place 2 contracts, but this does low-key feel like FOMO. Hey Manav, what's up? Sorry. Jordy needs a whoop whoop. Whoop whoop! I'm so sorry. I've been so focused. What's up, Jody? Whoop whoop! Indeed. What the heck, man? I got short target 800. Jody, well done. That is amazing. Whoop whoop is required. I'm so sorry. I've been focused on this chaos right now. Is this FOMO? Is it FOMO? I sold gold. You sold gold? Nice. Oh, I upset some people. My bad. Okay, because I'm being so quiet. My bad. Moving on. This feels overextended again, like I said, but let's see. 9.5. There we go. 6.5. Okay. Sweep. Done. Hey man, supposed to extend. Oh, whoops. And we're just gonna keep going. Cool. Hey Manav, what's that? Manav? Blue days in, 3 for 3, all levels on top of my usual. I'm yet to see a red day. It's ridiculous, right? Song name, it is in the description. I apologize for not responding to people. I'm locked in. But this is just running. Literally running. So that's fun. Then 610, huh? Oh no, wrong way. 50. Did I math? I did math. I mathed. Sugar honey iced tea, man. This is just, this is insane. No, that's valid. That's valid. Let me just continue. Congrats, whoop whoop to my friends. Aw, thanks, Jose. You're such a sweetie pie to people. I hope you know that. You're very much appreciated in this community. You're so nice. I really do hope that you are aware of that. So this is quite a big engulfing, so I expect this to go back to level. 1, 2... What does this look like on the 5-minute? On the 5-minute, that would be better. Taken out. We haven't quite hit the shelf, but we have tapped into a fair value gap. Let's check the 15-minute. Sorry, I'm just talking to myself. I hope you guys don't mind. Like I said, I do apologize for not answering, but I am locked in. Y'all can be proud of me. And just turn it off for now. It's a bit restricting. About to hit the shelf. It did kind of respect. It did. It kind of respected that shelf. Back into this, going back down again. Cool. Sure. Are we going all the way down? What does it look like? Let's check the 1 hour. Yeah, we went into this fair value gap, about to tap into this order block here. Cool, 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 cool. Is that right? Did I math correctly? I think I mathed correctly. I have moments where I don't math correctly, but still. Mother fluffer. I did not math correctly. I math bad. I'll math better. I'll math better. I'm doing this quick. Bad math. Oh, thanks, Manav. You're so sweet. How much did I lose today? I'm in the green today. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh damn, I did really bad math here. I'll fix this now. Six. That should be 90. The absolute biscuit. Okay. That's what I did. Okay, back to the 1 minute. I mathed like a chop. Ugh. Did I? Did I math like a chop? I feel like I mathed like a chop. Seriously? 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 Okay then. Oh no, I didn't math like a chop. Nope, I'm doing the wrong thing. Okay, I'm gonna take a moment because clearly my brain has stopped functioning. So don't mind me. Yeah, no, I did that like an absolute twit. Not 85, it would be 90. Yep. There we go. It's better. My gold level needs some looking at though. Well, oh, you're talking about high risk to reward ratio. Oh, thank you, Jose. You are correct. That is 100% accurate right there. See, this is better, but again, this has to go pretty freaking far for it to get there. Damn. Okay, now that... Shoot. I guess would be 1. It would have to be 1 if I took this. If I took this being the key word here. Because again, don't want to give back everything you've received and then I would be giving back all my profits. So rather under risk it, I guess? That makes sense. Okay, now that I sorted that out and my brain stopped malfunctioning, let's go check out the 1 hour again. Where was this point of interest for me? Like I said, it tapped into here. Here could be a nice point of interest, maybe to the body. So 729. So it would be around where this TP is. But holy damn. So I'm just gonna block this out. What in the FU candle is this? It has dropped 445 points. Cool. Not just in London, I think New York. I think New York opened around here, but still. What even is this candle? Bruh. Okay, moving on, sorry. Short again, 700's the target, why not, right? I mean, I'm getting triggered. Green for the day, I even posted a pre-market analyst on the chat Discord this morning. I got to take a look and compare it to the price action this morning. Hey, nice, Bob, nice. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Sorry, I'm just here having discussions to myself. I apologize. My brain's just going, but it's okay. I'm out. You're out? What happened? Like, stop hit or what? Huh? Just because we're choppy now, do we think it's gonna have a mini a moment, if you will? Nice engulfing. I would say it's very likely that it is gonna go there. Okay, I'm having a little bit of an internal struggle here right now because this is an A+ setup. But I feel like it's overextended. And it did hit the 4-hour fair value gap. It could go slightly further down, but being the key word here. So like I said, I'm having a little bit of an internal struggle because it is an A+ setup. But again, it feels overextended. Jose, definitely. Double bottom formation. Let's see, dang, I gotta add more levels. Mine stop at 870. Oh, yeah, no, that's, I added these two quickly. Yeah, I added these two quickly, Bob. Hey, John, what's up? How's it going? Abraham, yo, how are you? Good afternoon / good morning. Sorry, I'm gonna do the good morning one because to some people it is indeed good morning.
Hi. Hi.
I'm back in last try, come on, 700s. You know, I guess the thing is, if you're having an internal struggle, maybe you shouldn't be doing it, right? Okay, come on, 700s, just for Geordie. Like I said, this feels overextended, but we continue. That engulfing off of that, I would have maybe liked to see it. What? What the heck, man? Hey, High Life, are you leaving? Bye. Why are you leaving us? That's mean. High Life doesn't love us anymore. I don't know what we did, but High Life just doesn't like us anymore, and that's really mean. This is a B setup, technically 3. This is completely overextended. Is the gap down? Trust the intuition. Oh, thanks Ace to Game, I appreciate it. Push break even now. Stop trading. Once the market moves 2 levels, you should call it a day. Really? Oh, I'm gonna have you so sweet. I appreciate that. Rose petals. What a statement. Damn. Why once it's moved to 2 levels, Bob? Because then it's overextended? Whoop whoop again! Damn, Geordie. Are you gonna share some love or not really? Oh, that's okay, High Life. But thanks for always joining. You're a superstar. Mad love to all of you guys. What a weirdo. Oh, you guys are so funny. Whoop whoop, Geordie. Whoop whoop for anyone that got in on the short. It is absolutely amazing. Huge shout out to you guys. That is awesome. I'm still in a bit of a debate because this feels overextended. Yeah. Just have to scratch the edge. Oh, you blush. I bought a little mining stock that I had since it was going down right now. Ooh, okay, nice, John. Okay, let's see. Wait for market direction shift back to fill the gap, and then look for the downside. High liquidity building with the equal highs. Hey, Breland, what's up? How's it going? Hey, Ryan and Celestial. I'm assuming you got in on the short, right? Are you just coining it? Don't forget to press that like button, peeps. Like, damn, guys, share some of the love. Apparently, you guys are just winning at life. Sure. Paper trading open now. She's bound to range around anyways. I don't mind. It moves level to level twice after opening bell. Call it a day. Huh. Why is that, Bob? Out of curiosity. Why is that? Runner up. Damn, Celestial, what the heck? You all okay? What a cliff jump! This went to the freaking center of the earth. Okay, my argument is always if when it pushes up, it's going to the moon. If it's dropping down like this, it's going to the center of the earth. Right? I feel like that's a valid argument. I feel like I'm gonna be upset with myself for potentially not taking this trade, but in the same breath, I feel like it's very overextended. I mean, there's a bunch of buy-side liquidity sitting right there at my 0 level, so it's very high probability of it taking that out. So I'm gonna sit on my hands again. Maybe I'm gonna regret doing that. But again, this is also still a B setup. So it's fine. Best trade of my life. Hey, well done, Celestial! I'm grateful. Well, that means the market has already moved roughly 210 points. Do you really want to push it? No, but that's exactly right. I feel like this is very much... I don't even think overextended begins to explain whatever the heck this just was. Which is why I feel like if I do enter something, it's going to be a FOMO trade, not a emotionless trade. Does that make sense? That kind of makes sense. I'm in from 7:15 and 18. Damn! Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate it. I like my tattoo too. Let's see. This would have been entry. Oh, Whip would be yelling at me right now if he was here. I mean, not a bad rejection off of that shelf. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Okay, I'm glad that I listened to myself. Oh, thanks, Celestial. You're so sweet. I think you must host your trade, because that's amazing. Are you still in the short, Celestial, by the way? Where are you from, Anaf? Hey, Shixma?
What's up?
Yes, I am. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. How are you? How you doing? Specifically the MNQ. It's on my Insta. Nice. Do I have you on Insta, Celestial? I actually don't know if I have you on Instagram. Let's go check it out. What do you think happened with that drop? What do you think the sellers were trying? You don't think they're just trying to mitigate the massive imbalance that's been happening? You don't think it's just trying to rebalance the markets, Jose? That's what I think is happening. I think it's just trying to rebalance the markets. I mean, it could be that there was maybe also some news that I don't know about, or maybe this is the result of the FOMC yesterday, because there wasn't hectic movement yesterday, so maybe this is just like a delayed movement, if that makes sense. Okay, here it would have mitigated risk by half. Okay, so this would have been a half loss. Okay, this would have been a half loss, so I'm glad I listened to myself. This was a B setup. I didn't take it. Discipline's hard, guys. I feel like the discipline in waiting for your A+ setups is more difficult than anything else. This is gonna keep falling for a few more hours, I think. What, Jason? You think this is gonna keep falling for a few more hours? Hours! I don't know why that made me like shooketh, but always. Fuck.
Nice.
I mean, if it works, it works. Awesome. Wait for it to fill into supply zone for highest positive probability outcome. Mitigate areas that substantially break structure above supplies, just above me. Okay. Am I saying this correctly? Is it Braylin? Braylin? I'm sorry if I'm butchering that, but if you don't mind me asking you some questions, are you comfortable with that? Like, how long have you been trading for? What do you trade? What's your strategy? Things like that. Didn't something happen with interest rates and Jerome? Oh, was that today? I thought that... Oh no, wait, that was yesterday, wasn't it? No, I thought that was yesterday, not today. All good questions. If that's the case, a lot of shorts. I mean, John, when in doubt, it's probably that, right? Isn't there some bad stuff happening Somewhere else in the world. I feel like something bad happened somewhere else in the world. There was some news. We were discussing it earlier. Maybe it's that. It could potentially be that. It's a lot to freaking mitigate here. Yeah, that didn't come high enough. That did, and that did, but it was not an A+ setup. So, valid reason for not taking it, even though it would have been a win. Oh, like I said, Rip would be yelling at me if he was here. Thank heavens he's not here. Not taking that first level to level. Can I try to take the bounce back? Shoot, I see. Sorry, I'm reading Bob's message. I'll respond to you later, Bob, okay? But I did read it. There's always profit and loss in business. The most important thing is to keep planning consistently. But that's exactly it. You have to kind of treat this like a business. You're going to expect to have like some, whatchamacallit, business expenses. Those are going to be your losses. But as long as you are consistent and you're sticking with your rules and you're not just essentially gambling, right? We are traders, not gamblers. I think at the end of the day, that's it. So you have your rules, you have your setup, as long... Why are we doing this? Okay. Anyways. Sorry, clearly I had a moment. Carrying on. I reach out, I follow price action, trade Forex, and change your entire trading life. Okay, brilliant. And how long have you been trading for? Am I diamond? Is that no? Hey, Ty J Stoner, what's up? How goes it? How goes it? Like I said, looking at this. Again, I think this is too big. I can't even take this trade without it being... Okay, so this just ran away. That's cool. Man, and just when I was like, oh, maybe today's the day I can pass my eval, but you can't rush things. I just have to remind myself about that. Can't rush things. Stick to your rules. Don't be a silly goose. Right, no silly goose here. We're in the same boat now. I got 485 to pass. Bob, we got this. We got this. We got this. We got this. Maya's on the right track. Just stubborn. How am I stubborn? Excuse me. 2 years of study and a year of trading. Damn. Okay, and I'm assuming a good year of trading by the sounds of things. Who am I doing my eval with? Top 1 futures. Yeah, I'm doing it with Top 1 futures. Using Trading View. I was using Project X, but Project X is no more. I think that Project X is only with Top Step, if I'm not mistaken. I could be lying. But yeah. Have I tried trading stocks? No, not yet. Oh, Manab, thank you, so sweet. Based on it. Oh, go have fun. Thank you. I appreciate that. Right, but that's the point. Gotta do this one step at a time. Oh, looky at this. Whew, would have missed me by a tick. This would have been quite nice. Now that we're having a potential change. Would it be quite nice? No, actually it would not be quite nice. Okay, let's see. We need now confirmation that either we're going to do a reversal here. Continuation, like I said, this unfortunately is just too big. I can't trade that without risking too much. Okay. What's happening in this range here? It's just like stuck on this bob level a little bit, hey? Cool. Celestial. Again, I asked the question, how am I stubborn?
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Jose, I'm pretty sure you can use it. Top 1 futures only. No, I'm pretty sure America can use it as well. It's just, you know, South Africa is limited to what props they can use. I don't think the rest of the world is as limited. So I don't think America is restricted. I think America actually has access to everything, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, if you guys want to, you can use my code. It's TeachMaya, all caps. I'll pin it if you want. And you can get 40% off top 1. And Violin, I need to actually update. If I'm not mistaken, there's actually an 89% discount going on at the moment. Again, you can use my code TeachMaya. 90% progress following set rules for entry slows everything down with practice in live markets. It's down to probability. You just work to eliminate human error. Braylon, you sound a lot like Rip. I think you and Rip will be besties. Nav, what am I trading in? Are you talking about like... What are you talking about? what do you mean? Let me do this. Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't know how to type or do anything today, apparently. Here we go. I am just going to pin it, and if anyone's interested, you guys can get some awesome discounts using this code. So yeah, more than welcome. Like I said, if I'm not mistaken, Violin is actually having an 89% discount, which is amazing. Okay, now that the volume is drying up slightly, but it still looks like the sellers are in control. Don't know how the heck that's happening, but okay then. Awesome sauce. No, is your battery dead? I'm sorry. What's the platform you're using? Hey, no, I'm using TradingView. Yeah, I used to use Project X, but they did a migration over to Tradeovate, and so I use TradingView because I know I'm familiar with TradingView. I actually started trading using TradingView, and yeah, so I'm familiar with it. I've heard Tradeovate and NinjaTrader are a tiny bit more complex, so I thought let's start with this and then we can make it more complex as we go. Hey Maya, look, it's going down. Thanks. Thanks, Celestial. Where's Rip? Didn't see any posts, any messages. He was here this morning during the London session, so I don't actually know where he is now. That's a good point. We must go find him and be like, yo, Rip. I feel like he's cheating on me. He found another streamer. He doesn't care about me anymore. Dad. We clearly distributed. Now I'm accumulating. Probably gonna wait for manipulation to enter the next distribution. Hey, Antonio. What's up? How you doing? What the heck is happening on gold? What did gold do? What did gold do? Could you please split your profit between... I need to first get more profit. Within the swing range, no higher high, no lower high, or lower high, and lower low. Consolidation until candle closure. Okay, that's valid. That being said, it has created a bit of an SMT on... Did this move? No. Bit of an SMT on ES. Like I said, still watching this. Let's wait for confirmation. This is now a juicy level, else I would be quite keen to potentially take another short here, but let's not start messing around with that kettle of fish just yet, seeming as we had this hectic drop down. Okay, let's do this. Have fun. Yeah, gonna make some chow now. Try and watch this run out. Go, go, go. Powerpuff Maya. Thanks, Celestial. Much appreciated. I'm Gucci. How about you? Ah, I'm good. Thanks. Drop from 5 to like 500 in a few minutes. No, Nadia. It was... What? Even on gold? What is happening today? Did someone say something? If you catch my drift. Did someone somewhere say something that they shouldn't have? So that's not even close. That's not even close. Ooh. Shoot. No, okay, I'm gonna take a bit of a step back for a moment because I can feel the FOMO wanting to kick in. Man, okay. If you want to make money, sell it. Doesn't work like that. Investors taking profits, tension easing, safe haven assets, I'm not sure. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay, well, point is, this is still going. Don't freaking know how, but this is indeed still going. Wow. Still wouldn't have even freaking retraced. Excuse me. Mm-hmm. Okay. I'll be at 85. Okay, let me just sort this out. So this would be 85 range. Yep. 255. Okay, just as we're going, making my bob levels. Carrying on. Somebody say something or what? Market dipping. No, 100%. Hey, Southpaw, what's up? How are you? How are you doing? It's been a minute. Well, I say it's been a minute. I know you were here the other day, but still, how are you? I hope you're doing amazing. I hope you are doing absolutely marvelous. Sugar honey iced tea. Sugar honey iced tea, man. Those bears, but no, honestly, this E30 news on trade balance that came out way negative with the actual value. Not sure if that's causing the bearish market. Oh, maybe. Maybe. I think you're going into a 1 hour consolidation. No, don't say that. No trade for me. This is just vertical line to be on. Mac, that's exactly. Now I'm. Oh, maybe that's the problem. Maybe I'm second guessing things when I shouldn't be, right? Trend is friend. It's clearly trending bullish. Go with what the trend is doing. And again, trend is friend. But I feel like it's completely overextended. Completely. I keep waiting for it to retrace, but it's just not. Which is not ideal. I don't know if you guys heard my back click there, but anyways. Eventually the buyers have got to Jose, but that's what I've been waiting for, and they're just not. Nowhere has this retraced 50% except for this little bit and this little bit. This is the only time it's retraced 50% of any range, and that's like a tiny range. This is on the 1 minute ranges. It's not even on the higher time frame ranges. This is just dropping to the freaking center of the earth. This is working off at this bob level quite nicely. And I feel like this is risky because check at all of this. Like, this is quite a hectic liquidity level. If it comes back up, I would assume that it would want to come and take this out before, if it wants to drop lower, before it wants to drop lower. That being said, we are still just going bye-bye. Also, don't want to make stupid mistakes, but yeah. What a big drop in NQ. I don't even think that begins to describe it. I'm well, just busy with work and home. Got a cover in ice. What? Oh, Southpaw, that kind of sounds nice though. That really sounds nice. Yeah, it sounds amazing. That gap towards the top. All gaps need to be filled. No, 100%. I guess as much as it's now completely overextending to the sell side, it did overextend to the buy side. I mean, let's check out the higher time frames quickly. Let's go to straight away jump to the 4 hour. Now we're back into this damn range. Seriously. I thought we'd finally get out of this 4-hour range. Apparently not. Rarig wat die moet. Maybe want to take out here. Like, seriously. I mean, if you have a look here, there's a lot that's gone without being balanced. So I guess it does kind of make sense, but sure. You want to come back, take out this. I mean, here's some relative equal lows at this 0 to 4 level. Sure. Here's some relative equal lows. Oh, these I was interested in a while ago. I remember this, the 014 level, and it just never came to get them. I mean, check out this. But all of this has not been balanced, if you will. Just smile and wave at it. That's just not the day for an A+ trade. No, that's... I mean, that being said, Matt, were you here during the London? You were not. You were. You were not. Matt, were you here during the London? Sorry, my brain's now... I'm thinking of waiting and seeing what I find. I'll go have fun. That's not a bad idea. Is this where they tell us that everything is crashing and blame it on one guy? I mean, most likely. It was nice, but my body wasn't moving enough, so I got to feel a bit yucky. Oh, I get that, South Park. Literally, fun fact about little me old Maya. If I have a weekend where I do nothing, do you know, I actually hurt. Like, physically, I am in pain. I feel like I've had just too much to drink. I'm broken if I have a weekend of doing nothing. I always have to do something. My body's not used to doing nothing. It's weird. I'm just here to torture my into profit. Celestial, you know what? I respect it. I respect it. I'm not even gonna... I love it. Thank you. I love the aggressive support. I think that's an accurate way of describing that. It's aggressive support. That's support, so that's fine. Oh, trading view, you little weirdo. What is this? Okay, sorry. I know, but that's exactly... Oh, you're charging a phone. Nice. That was not what I meant at all, and you know it. Just saying. Brother Bean! Celestial, you're still in this, right? I'll be out all next week, gonna leave the ice for the... No, where are you going? Why are you not coming to South Africa? It's warm as heck here. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh, flip.
That's what she said.
Amazing, amazing, absolutely amazing. Oh yeah, guys, if you want control of the memes, Southpaw, you know I stole this from you, but you can join the membership and have access to the memes, and then you guys, because I say stupid things all the time. Literally all the time, so these are quite valid quite often. Oh, my new favorite, because this happens all the time. You guys know that I have, like, brain malfunctions. It's this. When the brain just doesn't work. I said sell it, you are crazy. Manav? No. As much as I appreciate that, and you're not wrong, that's gambling. I have my strategy and I stick to my strategy. I have my rules. Gotta make sure I stick to my rules. Discipline, 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 discipline. Even when you have that fear of missing out, you stick to the discipline side of things. It's so hard sometimes, but it's what I've been working on. It's what took this strategy from a 45% win rate to a 64% win rate. Should dump one more pips than it should be. That feels like a lot. Are you sure? I don't think so. I'm going to cruise with a buddy. We're going to Mexico. that's amazing. I'm jealous. Can I like be a stowaway in your carry bag? I promise I won't take up any space. You won't even notice I'm there. You just have to feed me a little bit, otherwise I'll just chill. Like now and then just like feed me some scraps. I'll be fine. But that sounds amazing. I'm kind of jealous. Yay! Look at that, guys. Apparently I'm going on a trip. It's at the moment. What the heck? So food is free. Screw it. I'm going on a trip, guys. You know, I don't weigh that much. You're just gonna have to try and carry me in the bag up to wherever. But I'll fit, right? Titanic. I can swim. That's fine. We'll be okay. Hey, DJ, is gold just going down? Nita, can I buy? I would hold off on buying until you get any confirmation, just saying. I want to go on a cruise. Seems easy. You know, I've never been on a cruise. Little Maya fun fact for you. What the heck is this price action today? Oh my gosh. Wow. It's just, what's it doing, DJ? We've been looking for another person to join us. Meet me in Allison. Don't tempt me. You know I will. What do I see on NAS 100? It's just dropping to the center of the freaking earth. Do you want to see what it's done? It has dropped 565 points. Since New York Open, it has dropped 565 freaking points. Oh, and it's still going down. There hasn't been any retracements apart from here. There's been no retracements, nothing. It's just going. Aw, thanks, Manav. You're so sweet. Crazy market today. Yeah, that's an understatement. Oh, thanks, John. Wow, there's a lot of Texans here. I love it. Yep, down, down. Don't tease me with a good time. I feel like that is it has to be. I know I said it earlier, but see, this is why you guys need the membership, because when I say dumb things like that,
That's what she said.
you can do that because it's pretty funny. I had $200 left in drawdown on my 50k. This ES down bought me to net 700 on this email. Oh, whoop whoop! That's amazing. Well done. That is amazing. Where did you enter? Slash, how did you enter? Sorry, the only reason I haven't been able to enter this is because it didn't work with my setup, so it is what it is. But whoop whoop to anyone that got in on this. Literally, well done. That is amazing. Super, super well deserved. So proud of you guys. Still going on 100%. Michelle, be there Sunday before departure. I'm on it. I wish. I wish. I got adult responsibilities and no money, so looks like I gotta do the adult thing and not go on a fun trip. Oh well, it's fine. You did the short. I had no entry for the short, Franks. Franks, did you get in on this? Are you asking from this morning? This morning it took me out before it ran down. This morning it came back up, took me out because I had a trailing stop loss. Took me out, went up a little bit higher. If I had left it at break even, I would have still been in this. Anyways, and then it just freaking floored it. I don't, like, what even is this? What even is this? We need to set up your levels for MES. We do, that's a good point. I've been trading my, is there a lot of bear or bulls? What's your take on that? That's interesting. It's a bit of a tricky one. I think because I trade the 1 minute time frame, like really it can change from session to session. Like, I mean, if you had a look this morning, Asia session was bullish. London, well, it consolidated first and then London became bearish. And I mean, now it's just sticking with bearish. Cheers, Michelle. Mad love. Thank you for joining. Aha. Oh, thanks, Minna. You evil laugh. Good to see you were thinking it was going down. Yeah, true, true. Thanks, Jason. Jeez. A huge storm just pops up out of nowhere. Really? Jordy, are you good? Is the rain just following you? I feel like you got caught in the floods and now it's storming there. Are you good? Sam, what's up? Just added funds to my account for the first time, and before I thought about looking for a trade price dumped across different markets. So are you winning? Is that what's happening? Whoop, whoop, whoop. Am I happy for you or sad for you right now? Hey, Phoenix, what's up? And Garav! Ayo! Ayo! Anyone that's just hopped in?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Garav, you think let's go long now? I'm hands off until we get confirmation about whatever the heck is going on, because anything I try and do now is not worth it. Listen, I am green for the day, so it's not like, you know, not in a rush to give my profits away. This feels very overextended. I mean, like I said, since New York opened, this has dropped, what, 500, what did I say? 554 points or something stupid? So I'm getting like 570 points. You know what, I think I actually have to do this. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this because this is ridiculous. Like, this is honestly... I think it's valid to say redonkulous right now. What do you think? Do you think this is redonkulous? I think this is valid for redonkulous. I think it's valid for redonkulous. It's following me. But you're good. Okay, I'm glad that you're okay. I will shut my trap for... Why? Why? Remember when you just laughed? Ah, no, I wasn't laughing. Actually, I thought it's insanity because it feels like insanity. Because it low-key is insanity, but I mean, you were right. It still feels ridiculous. Don't do it now because it will go down again. No, 100%. Ah, but it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Oh, what, don't take the screenshot now? So it'll go down again? Ooh. I think it's for talking, thank you. No, why? Why do you have to go do some work? No, boo. Boo to work, bleh. Coming from you, I've never... Oh, damn, I'm gonna... It's fine. I'll find it later. I'll do that later. No, we are still going down. What the hey diddly day, man? Okay, this is fine. I've never seen such big... What? A 2.5 move all at once. This is a movie. What do they call it again? The Big Short, literally live. No, this is ridiculous. It's almost impossible not onto long here and catch the... That's exactly... I'm waiting for the... There's no bounce. Like I said, this is just going to the center of the freaking earth right now. Like, I've had to create... How many bob levels have I had to create? 3? 4? 4 bob levels. It's gone through 4 bob levels. Oh, thanks, Celestial. You're such a sweetie. Shout out. Absolutely no green on the 15-minute. Yep, no. You work? Yo, no, tell it. Bill. Yucky. Where's this at again? Let me just get my coordinates. 5. Doing math quickly, don't mind me. I actually have no words. I actually have no words for this right now. I guess we just stay hands off. Like, I'm really tempted to try and enter, but that being said, mistakes will be made if I do that. Cool. Sorry. I don't feel like mathing, so it's fine. Go. Did I math wrong again? I feel like I mathed wrong again, but we're gonna just go with it for now. Oh no, not bad. Okay, no, I mathed. I mathed. I'll see if I can find you instead. I think I follow you. Thank you, Celestial. Please do. You got your confirmation, girl. Nice. What was your confirmation? There's no work, no school, no shopping. Boycott tomorrow in the US. How do you think this will affect the... Wait, really? Brightest... Wait, why? Is there actually some... Why? Like I said, Snile, anyway. No, Mac, 100%. At this point, just be like... Okay, if anyone got it, well, like Celestial got in and is just leaving a runner, you must be feeling pretty damn happy right now, right? I'm down 7.6. I sold some pulling crypto and bought mining while it's down. Ooh, nice, John. Okay, whoop whoop. I'm making my millions this regular day. Wait for PM session if you want to trade again today. I mean, Celestial, that's valid, right? At this point, yeah. Just absolute insanity. Just what is this? Hey Lucky, how you doing? I can't complain. I am green for the day, so that's good. But yeah, wow, just wow. I was hoping to maybe get a nice winning trade during the New York session and potentially pass my eval, but nope. So it's just running away without me. Would have been nice if I could get an A+ setup and have a win, but yeah, clearly that just wasn't in the card. Someone's here to say hi. Like a boy. Now see the 4 hour and 1 hour. Joy of travel, what's up? Look, we have a little Perry to come say hi and bless your charts. No, but you're out of the pickups again. You're out of, there we go. There we go. We got a Perry bean. Spoiled. You're so spoiled. Okay. He just exists and he gets sweeties. I wish that could happen to me. That would be so nice. That was one hell of a wave. Oh, that doesn't even begin to explain it. My entry was 7155. The name of my dog is... He's my child. He's not my pet. Just kidding. Well. His name is Perry. I was doing great until I saw gold. Take a look and tell what is going on. I mean, yeah, let's have a look at gold at this point. Gold. Okay, so gold is pretty similar to NQ right now. Just absolute freaking chaos. Amazing. Lucky, did you have like a long that was... Cool. So is everything just dumping at this point? That's kind of what it feels like. Everything's just going... Peace out, nerds. See you never. Okay, wait. We might... I'm sorry, where am I? Thank you. Nearly had a heart attack. I was like, where are my levels? Excuse me, where are my levels? I was about to say, I'm gonna give you a minute to think about what you've done. Okay, good. If we can close green, I'm finally looking for the long. Imagine riding the wave like that, big money. No, 100%. Can I help you? Manav? Well, you can give me some. Yeah, listen, I'm always here to learn, right? That's the point of this. It's to learn and grow knowledge further. Not looking at the charts till Wednesday next week. Why? I just made 10k on my paper account. Damn. That's insane, Jordy. What the heck, man? I feel like this is also today too, if possible. You'll see. Yes, it's a win for me. Hey, do I have that thing good, right? That is a good job. Gave me luck. He is. He comes to bless everyone's job. 100%. It's what Perry does. He's just a blessing. He's so cute. Gotta love him. Okay, dokie. Yeah, I guess we're still in this. Need to get you set up with gold and silver levels. All of them? Okay. Remember that gold trade I was holding? It's now dropped to 3.5. Oh no, Lucky, no. No, 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 no. No, that's not good. Sorry. Shoot, man, that really sucks. Okay. Yeah, I'm just kind of hands off. Quincy, I mean, there was a decent push. There's some volume to the buy side for a little bit of a change right now. That's something, right? The upside market wants to end the week strong. Oh, interesting, Jason, maybe. Manap, what's giving you the indicators that you can buy now? Hey, Big V, I'm still on the Nasdaq futures. What's up? No need for me to trade tomorrow because of damn, Joy of Travel was that good? Because we need some structure before I even trade. Mac, you know what? When you're right, you're right. Good grief, when you're right, you're right. Silly goose indeed, Franks. Silly goose. That's fine. Hopefully it gives me opportunity to trade in on my other account. There we go. See, you gotta look at the positives with the madness. Lack of a better word. The positives with the chaos. Oh, it's 11. Okay, let's see what comes. I'm kind of shooketh with this drop that just happened today. Oh, cheers, Manav. Enjoy. John, you said it'll go back up. Yes. That's been in the short from the start of... What the heck, Joy of Travel? That's amazing. So you are up. You're not just up, you're up. Good grief. Share some of the love, my man. Come on. No, I'm joking. Oh, am I? Like I said, I don't even know what to freaking call this right now. This is insane. This is insane. 675 is the target. Okay. Still forward testing the saucy levels. Okay, Jordy. Okay, so you're now looking for longs, right? What about an entry? Yeah, let's see where this heads. Again, this is not an A+ setup, so it's actually irrelevant, but you know, let's see. Hey, Kwon, what's up? Yes, I'm using OBS. Why? Yes, I'd like to help. So I'm here if you need. Oh, Joy of Travel, you're such a sweetie. Thank you. You're amazing. You're so amazing. Ah, we lost one sub. No, come on. I liked it when it was at a proper rounded off number. We need one more sub now. Come on, make it. Oh, I guess. I mean, just a quick grab to the upside. Who knows? You still just paper trading, right? I did not take the short. I didn't have a proper entry for my setup. So, no, I did not get in on this drop and a half. I'm sure I can. I make long and short. It's not going to break the previous lows. Rebound before week's end. So difficult to pick. You did? When? This morning. Did you give me that this morning? It goes back now. You have a fair value gap on the 1 hour. Where do I play? I downloaded the music and it's on OBS. Oh, sorry, my eyeball's itchy. There we go. Moving on. Yeah, for paper trades, I wouldn't take this in reality. Not 100%. No, actually, no. I haven't been trading all day. I did have a bit of a longer London session today, but it was good. I ended up in the green. Like I said, for me, there was nowhere to enter nicely using my setup. There was no A plus anywhere. This was a B setup. Yeah, this was a B setup. Not even. Wasn't even a B setup. Nothing has retraced to 50%. I would have had no entries. If I'd taken this for like I wanted to, it would have been a loss. Nothing else has retraced far enough up, so nothing good has come from me. I know this is just dumping, so anyone that got in on a short, well done, right? 100% well done to you guys. But yeah, long and gold might be a good idea. 358.79. Okay, you've got my curiosity. 358. Okay, I'm gonna make a level there. $358.79. I'm assuming you mean 76. Okay, so you say that is where it's gonna go long, right? Patience. No, exactly, Rob. That's at the end of the day, I'm in the green for the day. I had a winning trade this morning. I had a half loss, so I'm still in the green. I'm up, if I'm not mistaken, like $300, which is good. So I'm not in a rush to jump in and let FOMO take over to then put myself back, right? Don't give back the profits that you've made. Don't be a silly goose. I'm boiling some green beans. Nice, okay. Taking all the buyers. No, 100%. That's ridiculous. I've been long on precious metals for years, and now it's just going bye-bye. You'll see. Okay. Big V, I got you. I've placed it. I'll watch it 100%. Gold drop. Look at gold on the 4 and 1 hour chart. Long is hopeless at this point. Yes, yeah. Can you guys see my balance? Yeah, can you see it here? Sorry, I think you would have to zoom in, but it's at 52597.92. So it's getting there. Yeah. So obviously I was hoping that there would be some A plus setups for me to be able to take and maybe get a winning trade and pass my eval today, but clearly not. So that's fine, right? It is what it is. There's still tomorrow, there's still next week, there's no rush. It's all part of the journey. There's gonna be some days like this where it's just absolute freaking chaos. First target 25096. 096! Come again? Okay, I'll mark it, but damn. That's insanity, but okay. I'll mark it. Oh, JF Travel, that's really sweet. Yeah, it would be nice. Let's see. Yeah, shush! I don't know if you guys could hear the hardy dog. It's really annoying. Turtle soup. Shush, please. Thanks. It's making so much freaking noise. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna just carry on. We proceed. How much was the eval count specifically? The one you have now and the one you're aiming to get in the future? So I mean, this was a 50k challenge. Is that what you? Okay. Oh my gosh, English. Oh my god. My brain just malfunctioned completely. What was that? I am so, wow. Okay. This was a 50k challenge. There we go. Then second target is 24178. Brother Bean, that's ridiculous. What? I'm out. Have a good night. Oh, cheers, Mac. Okay, see you next week. Have an amazing weekend, by the way. Keep forgetting tomorrow's Friday, guys. Where did this week go? I have enough cash for swing trading. Well, where's the cash for the love? Where's like the donos and the... No, I'm joking. I'm messing with you guys. Y'all do what you gotta do. I do what I gotta do. That's part of life. Oh, look at this. Double bottom. Let's created an SMT on ES. Okay. So I'm trying to be more aware of the SMTs that pop up. 50k for how much it was. Oh shoot, I don't want to lie to you. I got it a while ago. It was like $50. Around there, I think. Yeah. Oh, cheers, go have fun. Are you also leaving? Yeah, I'm trying to... Wait, I want to just... Let's check the 4 hour quickly. I want to do this. I want to just turn off all the chaos. I can't believe this is still going. I actually can't believe this is still going. 810 points since this high. That's absolute insane. Just wow. Okay, sorry, just wow. Moving on. So 100k could go $400 in. Around there, right? I think Lucky says what is the best edge level? Gold or anything you want to suggest, Nasdaq? I guess it depends on what you want to do exactly, Aspen. So I do the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be specific, mostly just because when I started, well, I only started less than a year ago. I've been trading, April will be a year, which is quite exciting. And to stop myself from blowing through capital, I started with the micros, right? While you're figuring out the charts, while you're figuring out your emotions, when you're figuring out how everything works, and while you finding your stride in the market, when you're finding your edge. Hence why I started with the micros. That I didn't just blow through my capital. Low on the left is the target. Oh, okay. Oh, that makes sense though. And that's a really good target. I did see that little wick down there, yeah. We're gonna have a little bit of a retest now. You know what? I'm not even getting my hopes up. On the 4, yes, I did see it. That solid wick there. Is that where this was set? You know what's interesting? This is 75, 450. It's in this range. It's in this level. Cool. Sorry. Just, why does this look like a W? Wait, there was an SMT there. 1, 2, 3. But this wasn't higher than this, so that was not a confirmation. Sorry, I'm trying to figure this SMT things out. Yep, retracement of 720 to take the short again. You think it's going to retrace all the way here? So essentially, stop that. Essentially this range, right? Oh, it's going to tap into the shelf. Again, I call them shelves. It's going to tap into the shelf, then possibly back down. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. If you want, so what are the primary rules to your eval? There's actually no real rules. There's no consistency or anything. You can pass it in one trade if you wanted to. On top one, yeah. There's no consistency rules. For the eval. Once you're funded, there's consistency rules, but for the eval, there's no consistency rules, so that's quite cool. You have 2k drawdown and 3k to pass it. Yes? Yes, yes. Here's a push and a half. Okay. Back up to that 720 level. Nice push there into there. So gonna retest slightly. Let's see. Mining stocks are starting to retrace now, so no limited days and so on. No limited days and so on. So that's quite nice, right? It's just that it does like resets like once a month, so you do pay for it like once a month, if that makes sense. But only if you've blown the account, then it resets. Otherwise, if you are up, it just stays. Does that make sense, Lucky? I hope that's making sense. But yeah, you don't have like a specific amount of time to pass it. Is it? Why did it move that? Whatever it did, stop that. God's gonna hate me. This is not an A+ setup. This is a B setup. So it's not A+ at all. Well, it's a B, but it's not A+. I only have 2. Maybe argue that this might reject off of here. That could be 3, but if I'm having to try and find arguments for it, it's not great. This long is actually a better setup. Here to here. Got 1, 2, 3. This for a long is better than taking a short. I twist some buyers and then trap them on the way down. Yeah. I'm new and I've only been learning for 3 months and I learned basic price action and then deep dives SMT and ICT. I have a lot of trouble taking entries. Oh, what do you struggle with exactly, Isman? Well, I mean, if it does a retrace and then goes back up to that 720 level, that would be quite nice. Just don't know if it's going to do that, but that would be quite nice. Like I said, this is a better entry for me than this is. As I say that, watch it just dip. No faith. What do you mean, no faith? No faith in what? Let's see how this goes. I'm not understanding the resets. What exactly and why? Lucky, have I got you on Discord? Pop me a message and I can tell you exactly. Yeah? You happy with that? Trust the process, afraid of getting in trades. No, I'm not. I'm not afraid of getting in trades. I've already taken 2 trades today. I'm in the green. This is just overextended, and this is not an A+ setup, and my rules are A+ only. Yeah, A+ setups only. There we go, thanks, Lucky. It will sell soon. See? But like I said, for me, this is actually better for a buy, for that potential retest back up. But let me check this out on ES. Has this already gone to the 50? What did you just do? Why did you do that? Stop that. Oh, it's both hit that 50% level. Interesting. Well, it's just A+ versus a B setup. That's about it. This has 3 confluences, this has 2. Not even. That's literally it. On a higher time frame, this probably has more confluences, to be fair, but on the 1 minute... Yeah, okay, so on the 5 minute, this has 2, which still makes it a B setup, though. Again, I could argue that maybe it has 3 here. This has 3 confluences. That's my argument. That's it. That's the only reason. It's because this is a B setup and that's an A+. What makes the A+ the confluences? 3 or more confluences, it's A+. Then 2 confluences, obviously, it's a B setup. That's just my rules. Obviously, everyone sees the markets differently. Everyone, yeah, has different strategies. Everyone does different things, and that's all fine. It's my rules. Yeah, does that make sense? So I'm not trying to say that anyone's wrong or anything. I mean, I could definitely be wrong, but yeah. And I have knowledge about daily bias and price almost always go there, but the price offers very little opportunity and often moves up or down very quickly. Isn't that quite a volatile market, Osman? Would you not want to start with maybe a less? But well, I'm just assuming I've never actually traded XAUUSD. So is that not quite a volatile market? Rob, take it. No, now it sounds threatening. Damn. Now I'm scared. Now I don't want to take it. I'm scared now. Damn. And it's running away. So to give you an idea, let's see, maybe this would have actually worked out perfectly. This would have been my entry for the short. Right here would have been the entry for the short. This long is just running away now. So I would be in this on the short. Bit of an engulfing happening here. Might go back up to this level. Let's see, nearly hit that 720 level. So don't worry, I'm watching carefully, Kwon. Sorry, I've been calling you John again, haven't I? Depends on the risk they're willing to take. Ah, there we go. Okay. What'd you say on this chart? What is he doing? I'm assuming it's just retracing right now. See, I would have liked it to come retest before going back up to that 720 level. That would have actually been ideal, Juan. If it came, retested, and then went back up, that would have been amazing. It did not, though, so... boo. Let's see, it is faltering there. That's something. About to pop into this level, right around that 720 level. I'm now just watching this. Come on, give her some time. That's very interesting. A lot of people call the Nasdaq her. Is there a reason? Just out of curiosity, like, is it, you know, like cars and boats are generally say her. Nasdaq likes to tease. Oh, that makes sense. Are you using order flow and volume profile? Not as much. So, Osman, I use market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Like the fair value gaps, order blocks. I call them shelves. I don't actually quite know if that's ICT, but anyways. I call them shelves. And then another one, which isn't ICT or anything, it's bob levels. They're a little bit different. Am I great for doing short US? Give me 30 handles. Damn, Everett! Whoop whoop, that's amazing! Send you a pic from what I see on my screen too. Thanks, Joy of Travel. Appreciate it. Right, so this is the tease you were talking about, and this is the drop, right? I'm watching. Back into that level there. Back up. Okay, let's see. We're still watching this. I'm still intrigued, completely and utterly intrigued about whatever the heck this day just happened. Take a small position here. What, short? Is that what you're saying? Or long? Yes, for a short. No, it's going against, like, yeah. You are tempting me. But. Good tap in there. Let's see, it's probably gonna go down, you're right, but... Discipline is really hard, guys. Discipline is the most difficult part of this damn journey. Thank you! That's going long. Hey, Angel, what's up? This is interesting. Who thinks this is gonna go long and who thinks this Who thinks this is gonna go short? If it was me, I will only take shorts. Joy of Travel. Interesting. You don't think this is gonna start retesting now? It came to 11, yes? Yeah. 11 and potential reversal? No? Grav? What? What are you going on about, Grav? Hey, Eddie. Yes. Nasdaq futures, specifically the micros though. What's up? How you doing, Eddie? Hope you're doing amazing. Made 4% today. I'm out. Hey, whoop whoop, that's amazing. No fair value gap for reversal, I guess. Well, like I said, theoretically, this would have been nice for a long if it had retested a little bit earlier, but not so much, so it's fine. Only to the fair value gap on the 1 hour. Well, Eddie, so I live in South Africa, so for me, London session is at like 10 a.m. and New York session is at 4:30 in the afternoon for me. So living in South Africa is actually quite nice for trading. You have amazing trading hours. So, you know, you can wake up, have breakfast, get London session in, take a little bit of a break, go touch grass, I go ride my horses, then I come back and trade the New York session. Why long in what world? Anyways. Damn, that's nice. Yeah, a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Being South African and trading is quite... Wait. I specifically have this for this situation. It's...
Nice.
Sorry, I had to. Opportunity was there, I took it. Yes? New York session? What do you mean? Angel? I trade both the London and the New York session. There's an always... Oh, thanks for the sub, Brandy. Kwon, what you laughing at? Why are you laughing? I feel like you're being judgy. Why are you being judgy? We are here to be nice to people. It's at a deciding point right now. I want to see what happens now. No, let's see. Let's see what happens now. I'm genuinely curious. Oh, the noise. Listen, it's because it's valid. Being in South Africa and trading is 100%.
Nice.
No middle of the night shenanigans for me. that being said, Asia session recently has looked amazing. Like, I'm low-key jealous of everyone that's been able to trade the Asia session, because oh my gosh, it looks so good. You love the Krugerrand coins. I don't have any. Pity. Oh well. Well, I know they're pretty valuable, but it is what it is. You are tempting me to move there. Listen here. It's a good old time. Especially if you earn in dollars, you're gonna be living pretty. Well, except the dollar is down now, but still. You're still gonna be living pretty, let's just be real. Hey, Num. I'm just going to call you Num, sorry. How many trades do I usually take per day? It depends on the day and the price action of that day. I do have a rule, 3 losses and I'm done. I've taken 2 trades today. I took 2 trades during London. One was a half loss, if that makes sense. And one was a win, so that was awesome. So I am green for the day. I'm up $300, so that's cool. And New York just ran away without me. So I didn't get any, like, there wasn't a proper entry model for my trading strategy, so there was just nothing for me to get there. I'm still watching this whole situation right now. Let's see, like I said, I'm curious to see where this heads. It looks like it's gonna be a little bit chip-choppy. I've been holding the short since 2 days ago, so it's finally paying off for me. Kwon, that's amazing, well done. Oh, now see you all Monday, have a great— oh, cheers, joy of travel, have an amazing weekend. Oh, thanks, Angel. Still going that way, these temptations are real, I'm not gonna lie. The temptations to take a trade. Stuck in this bob level. The fact that we're not getting a nice rejection off of it, but we are solidly stuck here. A little bit of this. Should have posted on the group chat under— you should have! You should have, Kwon! Hey Rob, with that. When I saw it, yeah, definitely, absolutely. Next time, do it. I think eventually the dollar will go away. Trump signed something that he wants the dollar to go down more, and it will— what? Are you serious? What? 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 What a wild time. Seriously, what a wild time to be doing this right now. Okay. That is absolutely insane. Can you explain why did you decide to go short? And if you explained already, I'm sorry I wasn't here. Oh no. So Angel, so actually I'm not in this trade. I'm not in this trade. I'm not in the short. A lot of people wanted me to take the short, but it was not an A+ setup for me. I said I actually preferred this long setup because of the fact that I had 3 confluences, but the temptations today are a little bit too much. I might actually just call it soon. Let's see. Let's see. But essentially I do market auction theory, right? So I draw my Gantt box from top of the range to bottom of the range. The idea is it retraces back up to the 50% level, the 0.5 level. So that would be my entry. And then 2R down is TP. 30% of the 50% is my stop loss. And I need 3 or more confluence that are almost cushions or protection for my stop loss. If I do not have 3 or more confluences, I do not take it. This trade here only had 2 confluences. So maybe it was a mistake for not taking it, but it only had 2 confluences, so it was a B setup instead of an A+ setup, and I'm trying so hard to be disciplined in only taking the A+ setups right now. Fine, go for it. You can explain yours. Beginning of the year, the market has been looking for those indexes are coming off of highs as well. Oh, that makes sense though. Fine, go for it. Explain away. Chartmaster, what's up? No, I'm not in a cell. I'm actually low-key hands-off right now. It looks like it's in a deciding point. So, Grav, you still think shorts? I mean, it's valid. It's been going short the whole freaking time, right? And it did retrace the 50% of this level. Like I said, though, it's not an A+ setup. You guys can be mad at me and you can say, I told you so. You're more than welcome to do that. If it goes and hits TP, you're more than welcome to. But it's not an A+ setup, so I'm not gonna do it. Damn, it's consolidating solidly now. I'm learning a little bit about these SMT type of things. I don't quite understand them 100% though. Not the SMTs, the MMXM setup. But always learning, right? Always learning, always going, always pushing forward. That is the key. Always the key is to keep pushing forward. Okay. Okay. You know what? I can feel temptations kicking in, which are a problem. I'm gonna leave this setup. When I hop onto the charts tomorrow, I'm gonna see if this was a win or a lose, and I'll post it. I'll post it in Discord, and you guys can be like, I told you so. Okay. Hey, Berrigan, what's up? Stuck at work break time. Aw, Berrigan, I'm about to pop off. I'm sorry, but that being said, what's up? Did you see this drop? I'm gonna do a post about this drop. I definitely will do a post about this drop because it's insanity. But this feels like it's at a decision point. So Kwon, let's see. Okay, wait. So Kwon's description. First, I looked at the weekly and saw that there was a gap at the range at 26,350, and also there was a low volume note at the area with a fixed volume profile. Okay. Oh, of course you can. Here we go. The link is in the description below. Ugh. Sorry, I'm giggling at what someone said on Discord. Here we go. So here is the Discord link if y'all are interested. More than welcome to it. It is in the description below. If it doesn't work or you can't click it, please feel free to just pop me an email. I'm more than happy to send it to you. It's teachmayatrading@gmail.com. It is in my my bio, if you will. More than happy to hook you guys up with that if you want to join. I've recently added an accountability section as well. It's more for me than anyone else to hold myself accountable for if I take bad setups or I don't use the correct amount of content. You know, there's a few things that I do. I know that I mess up often. I'm very well aware that I do that. But yeah, so if you guys want... why don't I put an alarm if I'm not at the desk? So maybe this is dumb. Hear me out. Maybe this is dumb. Sorry, I was like, I'm gonna leave, and now I'm going through a little bit of a rant. So because I want this channel to be open and honest, right? Because unfortunately, and it does suck, unfortunately, there are a lot of traders out there that are not honest about their trades. Like maybe they change the numbers, or you know, with technology and stuff nowadays, it's very easy to lie about things, I feel. And obviously it's not everyone. I'm not saying it's everyone, but I do feel like there's a lot of traders out there that are lying about what they're earning or whatever the case may be, and it feels very scam. I don't know. I don't like to say scam because that's not a great thing either. Essentially, I want to do everything live so that this is a very open and honest journey. Like, you can go back through all my videos and every single trade I have taken live. I have never taken a trade off of the live. So the live is almost like a journal, but it's also a journal and accountability. You can go back and see how far I've come from there, but it also just, it shows a very open and honest journey. I'm not here to try and lie to you. You guys can literally see everything, the ups, the downs, every single trade I've taken, all the bad ones I've taken. It's a problem, but so I actually try to take every single trade that I do take live, so that this is a very open and honest channel, and I'm not like taking trades behind people's backs and I don't know, doing weird and wonderful things. Sorry, that was just my random rant for Thursday. Sorry. Explain to me about that. Bet lucky, perfect. Especially in SA. Yeah, I ranked 3 last year. You ranked 3? If you guys are short from the top, I would start covering. What do you mean by covering? Like I said, I apologize about that little rant, but that's why I don't like set alarms and stuff. When I hop off the live, I close the charts and I'm done. I'm done for the day. I don't trade when I'm not live, and then you got, you know, it's a journey. Reduce the position. Haha. Sorry, that was me being a little bit of a brat. I apologize. Okay, but on that note, because temptations are gonna kick in, I'm gonna want to take this trade. And that's the emotions taking over. We can't let the emotions win. Don't let the fear of missing out win. I'm gonna end it on a green day. So I'm up $300, so it's a green day, so I'm happy about that, but I'm gonna call it there. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you for keeping me company. Thank you for keeping me accountable. You guys are amazing. Don't forget to press that like button. If you guys want discount on Violin or Top One or any of the props in my description, in my discount, you can use Teach Maya. It is pinned. That's all. I love you guys madly. I will see you tomorrow, London and New York session. It's Friday, people. Yeah. I love you guys madly. Bye.